Hello everyone, my name is Srikanth. Today I am going to analyze historical IPL data to provide insights on IPL 2024 for sports magazine called Codebasics. As a part of the Codebasics Resume Polish Challenge, we start with the brief introduction of IPL and Codebasics as well as sports basics. Then we'll move into the problem statement and the goals of the sports basics. Following it, we'll see the data overview as well as the roadmap about dashboard. Let's get started. Sports Basics is a sports bar company that entered space recently. They wanted to get more traffic to their website by releasing a special edition magazine on April 2020. The magazine will have cool facts and insights from the past 3 years data. Perfect for fans, analysts, and the teams magazine. You'll find everything from player stats to predictions and the best 11. So one-stop shop for all the things. Tony Sharma leads the team and he's a big on using data to ask stories. He's got beautiful Pandey, which is me in this case, a cricket fan who's good with numbers helping out this in this body. Next comes Codebasics, an online educational platform that offers a wide range of tutorials and courses of covering coding, programming, and data science and more. The Sports Basics project is provided by Codebasics. It's a cool opportunity for data enthusiasts to gain confidence and experience by using data analytics to create interesting content to sports fans. The Indian Premier League, simply IPL. We don't need an introduction for this thing. It's a super popular cricket league in India, started in 2008 by the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCA. It's like the coolest thing in cricket. The IPL teams represent different cities and the regions of India, and they have players from all over the world. People love the IPL because it's super exciting and fast-paced. The matches are played in the evenings and have awesome music, fireworks, and stuff like that. That's not just a cricket; it's like a big party. And the IPL has the best players from all over, and it's big. It's like big deal for cricketers to get picked from teams. Like, it's not just a cricket skills. Players also get show off their coolness and make a lot of money through the actions and sponsorships. Basically, the IPL has made cricket even more awesome and popular, especially among younger fans. It's not just a cricket tournament, it's like a big culture thing that everyone loves in India to watch and talk about. Our goal is very simple: to engage our audience, drive website traffic, and empower fans, analysts, and teams with valuable insight. Through our IPL 2024 special edition magazine, by launching this special magazine, we aim to bring more people to our website. We want to create a platform where everyone can access meaningful insights, stats, and enjoy deeper understanding of the game. Um, that's it that's the goal. Next we'll move to the problem statement, where we have two sections. One is primary insights and second is secondary insights. The first section includes 10 questions provided by the client, which we explore later. In the second section, we have secondary insights. We have some really interesting stuff here. This includes all-time stats, insights, predictions, best 11 lineups, and additional analysis such as umpires, cities, like referees. Let's move into these fascinating insights. Next up, let's take a look at the data model overview. We have divided into two sections: primary insights and secondary insights. In the primary insights section, we have dimension tables and fact tables. The dimension tables contain all the details related to players, matches, and providing a comprehensive of IPL. On the other hand, the fact tables contains all the numerical data such as and striker and wickets, leading economy, average, giving us the statistical insights needed to analyze player and matches performance. Moving on to the secondary and insights section, we follow a similar structure with the dimension tables and fact tables. However, this time we look into historical data from 2018 to 2023. Here we have all the time statistics and insights, providing a rich source of information on the IPL history and trends. By organizing our data model in this way, we can effectively analyze both current and historical data, allowing us to gain valuable insights into player and match performance over time. Let's take a tour of the dashboard overview. Starting with the home page, here we can explore teams, captains, and the problem statement. On the other side, you'll find 6 categories: primary insights, secondary insights, best 11, and other predictions. In the primary insights category, there are 3 dashboards: batting, bowling, and team insights. And the secondary insights category has similar dashboards but covers historical data from 2008 to 2003. Next, we have best 11 category with 5 dashboards focusing on batsmen, all-rounders, and bowlers, and the final best picks. Lastly, the predictions dashboard gives insights on the match winners and runner-ups and the winners of the orange cap and the purple cap awards. This is our dashboard homepage. Here we have few things to explore. First we have dashboard section where you will see all the categories to navigate through. And next we have captain section where you will see all the captains to the respective teams. And next we have team section. Here you can see all the teams, and these stars represent the number of times they have won the trophy. And next we have scenario section. Here you can see an overview of the company. And next we have problem statement given by the client. Next we have a menu button to access all the dashboards. Here you can go to the dashboard by clicking this button. So these are first dashboard. We have got a total of 10 questions to explore, with 4 focusing on batting, 4 on bowling, and 2 on teams. Starting with the batting innings, our first question is who are the top 10 batsmen based on the total runs scored in the past 3 years? Minimum 60 balls faced in each season. The total score is nothing but the overall score achieved by a player in a match. Here you can see Shubhman Gill is on the top with 851 runs, followed by DuPlessis with 1831, and next we have Gaikwad with 1593. And the next question is who are the top 10 batsmen based on batting average in the past 3 years? Minimum 60 balls faced in each season. The batting average is nothing but the number of runs a batsman scores on average per dismissal. Here we have Rahul on the top with 50, next followed by DuPlessis with 43, and next we have Josh Butler with 41. And next question we have top 10 batsmen based on strike rate, minimum 60 balls faced in each season. Strike rate refers to how fast a batsman scores runs. Here we have first on Maxwell, followed by Rahul, and third we have Andrew Russell. And fourth question, who are the top 5 batsmen based on the percentage of boundaries, 4s and 6s? Boundary percentage is nothing but the total runs that comes from boundaries, like which includes 4s and 6s. Here we have Andrew Russell with 75%, and next we have again Maxwell with 68, and followed by Rahul with 68. And these two visuals are additionally I have included. These are the current part of some problem statement. First we have half centuries by player. These are from last 3 years stats. First on DuPlessis with 17 half centuries, followed by David Warner with 30, and then Maxwell with 12. And the next visual we have force by player. These are total force in past 3 years. We have first on Shubhman Gill with 186 force, and second followed by second DuPlessis with 160. And additionally, I have included a slicer panel to allow easy filtering for individual players, saving space and enhancing the visual appeal of our presentation. Let's see. So here you can see an individual page starts by filtering out. It will be easy to navigate through. And next we have menu panel. Here you can navigate through the fun next pages. This is our second dashboard in primary insights, and our first question is top 10 bowlers based on past 3 years. Wickets taken, minimum 60 balls bowled in each season. Means how many times the bowling team has managed to dismiss the batting team's play. Here you can see Mohammad Shami is on top with 67 wickets, followed by with 66 wickets, and third place we have Harshal Patel with 65 wickets. The next question is top 10 bowlers based on past 3 years bowling average, minimum 60 balls bowled in each season. Bowling average is nothing but the average number of runs considered by a bowler each wicket they take. And here you can see here on the top we have Mohit Sharma, which is 13.37, and next we have Mitchell Marsh, 17.0, and followed by we have Mohit Shami, 17.8, and next question is top 10 bowlers based on past 3 years, economy rate, minimum 60 balls in each season. Bowling economy rate is tells like how many runs a bowler typically gives away in an over. The lesser the economy, the better the bowler. Here you can see Sunil Narek on the top, 6.60%, 6.60, and Mitchell Santner at 6.81, and followed by Moin Ali with 7.04. And next we have top 5 bowlers based on past years, dot ball percentage. The percentage of balls by a bowler that the batsman does not score any runs of it. Here you can see Motion Coins on the top with 50% bowling dot ball percentage, and for DuPlessis Krishna with 47%, and third place we have Mohammad Shami with 47%. And these two visuals are in the part of the problem statement, but I included. And next we have top 5 bowlers lowest boundary percentage. Bowling boundary percentage in cricket is how often a bowler gives away 4s and 6s compared to all the runs they have considered. Here you can see with Sujin Lane with 44%. Next we have Ravichandran Ashwin with 45%. And third followed by Matisha Patirana with 46%. Lower the percentage and better the bowler. And next we have top 4 bowlers maiden overs. It means that during a maiden over, the batsmen do not hit any ball boundaries or take any runs. You can see the visual. First we have 10 balls with 7 maiden overs, and followed by Bhuvneshwar Kumar with 4 overs, and Mohammad Shami and 3 overs. And next we move into the team insights. So these are third dashboard in our primary insights, which is team insights. And the first question is top 4 teams based on past 3 years by winning percentage. Winning percentage by team in cricket is a percentage of matches a team have won compared to all the matches they have played. And as you can see here, Titans have on the top spot with 69.70, followed by Super Giant with 58.62, and third we have Super Kings with 55.56. And the next question is the top 2 teams with the highest number of wins achieved by chasing targets over the past 3 years. Chasing target is the number of times a team has won by successfully reaching the run set by the other team. As you can see, Titans and KKR have the top spot with the same number of matches won, 14. And these results are not the part of the problem statement, but we'll explore. Most wickets taken by a team. As you can see, in the past 3 years, Super Kings have taken the most wickets, which is 272, and followed by RCB 270, and Capitals 253. And the next visual we have no balls and wides by team. Mumbai have recorded the highest wides in the last 3 years, which is 181, and no balls 46 KKR. And the next visual we have 6s and 4s by team. As you can see, Mumbai have considered the most 6s and 4s. Here you can see 3,417 4s they have, and 6s for 1,548, and followed by RCB with 1.40 and 3.1k 4s. The next visual we have runs by a team in the past 3 years. Mumbai have considered most runs with 37,000, followed by RCB with 36,000, and Punjab at the third place, 35,000. And that's it from the primary insights. Now we explore secondary insights. In our secondary insights dashboard, we are focusing on batting insights. At the top, we have all-time record holders like Virat Kohli, who's all-time orange cap winner with 7,263 runs, and we have Andy Russell, the all-time strike rate winner with 174.0, and Chris Gayle holds the record for the most sixes and the highest individual score with 157 sixes and 175 individual score. On the right hand side, we see the wicket bowlers all-time records. Yuzvendra Chahal leads with 187 wickets, followed by Aljared Joseph with the best bowling figures with giving 6 wickets with 12 runs. On the other side, we have Lungi Ingidi with the best bowling average with 17.92. Moving to the other visuals, we have total runs, and these are the all-time stats like from 2008 to 2023. Top runs like top 5 batsmen like followed Virat Kohli, followed by Shikhar Dhawan. And next we have boundary percentage. You can see on the top Sunil Narine with 80% of the boundary. In the second we have Andy Russell and Chris Gayle. And next visual we have highest force by all time, like Shikhar Dhawan have 674, and David Warner 646, and Virat Kohli 643. And next visual we have highest sixes. Chris Gayle have 356, and Rohit Sharma 257, and AB de Villiers 251. And next we have highest individual score. Chris Gayle have 175, and Brandon McCullum with 158, and third we have Quinton de Kock with 140. And the next visual we have batting average. Devon Conway leads the top spot 48.63% of the average batting average. And the next visual we have player strike rate analysis. Here you can see these are strike rate, and these are the balls the batter consider, and these are runs. And the result is the top spot. And the next visual you can see players balls faced, most balls faced by a player. Here you can see Virat Kohli faced to 5.6k is for 5,600 balls. And the next visual you can see half centuries distribution. Here you can see David Warner have the highest half centuries in all time, which is on leading the 2003. See with 61 century half centuries. And next followed by Shikhar Dhawan who have 50 half centuries. And third we have Virat Kohli with 50 same number 50 half centuries. And the next visual we have centuries per player. In this visual, Virat Kohli is top with 7 centuries. Followed by Chris Gayle with 6, and third we have Josh Butler with 5 centuries. And next we move to the secondary bowling insights. In the secondary insights bowling dashboard, we follow a similar format to the batting insights. At the top, we highlight all-time record holders for bowling. The key performance indicators KPIs are useful when filtering for individual players. Moving to the visuals, first we have top 5 wicket takers of all time. Yajuvendra Chahal at the top with 187 wickets, following by Bravo and Piyush Chawla. And next we have top 5 bowlers by economy. Here you can see at top we have Anil Kumble with 6.58 per 5 week. And second we have Rashid Khan with 6.67, followed by Muralidharan. And next we have top 5 bowlers with bowling average. Of course, like Lini Ingidi at the top with 17.92, taking 25 wickets. And second, followed by second, we have Bolinga with 18.73. We have next visual top bowlers dot ball efficiency. And we have at first place Bhuvneshwar Kumar who bowled 1593 dot balls, followed by Sunil Narine with 1500 dot balls. And next we have Harbhajan Singh with 1312. And the next visual we have maiden overs by bowlers. These are the all-time maiden overs. Like Praveen Kumar have the highest maiden overs 14. And next we have Bhuvneshwar Kumar with 12 overs. And third followed with 10 bowled with 11 overs. And next visual wicket dismissal type. 47% them were caught by fielders. This means nearly half of the batsmen lost their wickets by getting caught out. And 22% of them batsmen were not dismissed at all. And 10% dismissed occurred when the ball hit the stumps. Next we have top partnerships. The highest percentage are between AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli with 250, and followed by the same place AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli with 229. And the next visual we have wide de Villiers by player. Bravo has bowled the most wides in all time, 2028 and 2023 with 167 wides. And next visual we have no balls by player. Jasprit Bumrah has bowled most no balls in all time with 28 no balls. And next we'll explore the team stats. In our team insights section, we start with the total runs scored by each team. Mumbai Indians lead with 37,000 runs, followed by RCB with 36,000, and Punjab with 35,000. Next, we look at the total wickets taken by each team. Mumbai Indians again lead with 1,400 wickets, followed by Super Kings with 1,300. Moving on to titles won by each team. Mumbai Indians and Super Kings lead with 5 titles, followed by KKR with 2 titles. And then we have the count of 4s and 6s by each team. Mumbai leads with 3,400 4s and 1,500 6s, followed by Capitals and KKR. In terms of wides and no balls, Mumbai Indians have the most wides and overs, followed by RCB and Punjab Kings. And then when it comes to total wins by each team, Mumbai with 138 wins, and followed by Super Kings 131 and KKR with 190. And next we have the percentage of match winner by toss choice. Bowling first has a 63% success rate, and while batting first has 36%. And next we see with the visual highest chases in matches. Rajasthan Royals have 226. Moving on, we have percentage of Moving on, we have the highest chases in matches. Rajasthan Royals chased the highest score in 226, followed by Mumbai Indians with 290. And next we have we look at the max runs scored by each team. RCB leads with 263 runs, followed by Super Giants with 251. And finally, we have count of toss winners. Mumbai Indians are at the top with 133 times they have won the toss. So this is our best 11 batsman insights. Before we explore our elite 11 batsman insights, let's understand the criteria we have set for building the best cricket team. Here's what we are looking for in each position. Opening batsman, we are seeking players with an average of 30 or more, and a strike rate exceeding 140 and having faced more than 900 balls. And for middle order batsman, players should maintain an average of 30 or higher, a strike rate of 130 or above, and have faced at least 1000 balls. And for all rounder, batting average should be at 20 or above. Strike rate should be at minimum more than 120. For wickets, should be taken minimum of 30. And for wicket keeper batsman, batting average at least should be 30, and dismissals per match 1 or more. And spin bowlers, they should be have taken at least 50 wickets or more. Economy should be below 7. And for fast bowlers, we have wickets taken over wickets should be taken over 100 wickets, and bowling average should be below 26, and economy rate also should be 7.5. And captains should be have leadership experience and strategic insight. And these are the numbers provide a clear framework for selecting players based on their performance metrics. And let's now proceed to explore elite 11 batsman insights within these defined parameters. Let's get started. We have already set the criteria to identify the best 11 players. Firstly, we looked at opening batsman with an average of 30 plays and strike rate of 140 plays. Players like Josh Butler and Johnny Brestow meet the criteria. And moving into the middle order batsman, we are looking for an average of 30 plays and a strike rate of 130 plays with more than 1,000 balls faced. And David Warner, Virat Kohli, and Rahul meet these requirements. As a wicket keeper batsman, we are seeking those with a batting average of 30 plus and at least one dismissal per match. Rahul has made outstanding in this regard. And next, we consider the performance of captains in winning matches. We have got MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and David Warner have been standard performance leading their teams to victory. Based on these insights, I am inclined to select David Warner as my preferred captain for his exceptional leadership qualities and consistent performance, because a few of them are retired and a few of them is not meet the criteria of the average and strike rate. And additionally, we analyze currently century performance and batting average over here. These visuals are just to choose these players. And next we'll move into the all-rounders. In our best 11 all-rounders insights, we have set specific criteria for selecting players. They should have a batting average of at least 30, a strike rate of over 120, and they have taken 50 plus wickets. We initially considered Shane Watson and Yuvraj Singh, but since they are retired, we'll focus on Glenn Maxwell and Andy Russell. Both have a strike rate of over 150 and have demonstrated their ability to finish games, as we seen in the World Cup. Maxwell and Andy Russell also have impressive performance in the terms of total runs and wickets. In the below visuals, you can see their performance over the years through the visuals provided. And we'll move into the bowlers. In our best 11 bowler insights, we have focused on spinners and fast bowlers who meet specific criteria. For spinners, we look for those who have taken more than 50 wickets with an economy rate below 7. Here we can see Sunil Narine and Rashid Khan met these criteria, making them the top spinners in the IPL. Narine has taken 163 wickets, whilst Rashid Khan has taken 139. Moving on the fast bowlers, we look for those who have taken more than 100 wickets with a bowling average of below 23 and an economy rate below 7.5. And here we can see these bonus. These visual Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Jasprit Bumrah meet this criteria. with both having over 50 plus wickets. The economic rate below 7.5. Here you can see the visuals. You can explore their performance and their overall. Next, we'll move into the final best 11. So this is our final best 11 team. Firstly, we have Josh Butler and Johnny Bairstow opening the innings, and followed by Virat Kohli at number 3. Next, we have David Warner as our captain, and he will also bat at number 4. And next, we have KL Rahul as wicket keeper, and he'll play at number 5. And next, we have Glenn Maxwell and Andrew Russell, known for their game finishing abilities. And then we have fast bowlers known for their Bhuvneshwar can swing the ball, and this will be exceptionally known for his Yorkers. And then we have our spinners. We have Rashid Khan and Sunil Narine offering a strong spin attack. And this is the team 11 I built. And next we will explore the predictions for the 2024. Let's check it. In our 2024 predictions, these are the top 4 qualified teams. First, Gujarat Titans, Super Giants, RCB, and Chennai Super Kings. In the eliminators, Super Kings will securing the spot in the final. In the final showdown, Gujarat Titans will face off against Super Kings, with Gujarat Titans emerging as the champions. In terms of individual performance, we predict Shubhman Gill to claim the orange cap for the highest run scorer, and the Yuzvendra Chahal to win the purple cap for the highest wicket taker. These predictions were made on machine learning using random forest. And these are the accuracy scores, the team score. And Shubhman Gill got 67% of accuracy, and Yuzvendra Chahal got 78% of accuracy score. And these are the predictions. Next, we'll move into other insights. We have conducted an external analysis on focusing on various aspects of IPL matches, starting with the matches by venue city. Mumbai City leads with the 138 matches, followed by Bengaluru with 88 and Kolkata with 86. In the terms of venue distribution by country, a significant 83% of matches were played in India, while 100% took place in Dubai, and the rest is in South Africa. And the third visual, we have matches by stadium, where Wankhede Stadium hosted the most matches at 111, followed by Chinnaswamy Stadium with 88 and Eden Gardens with 86. And next visual, we have first umpire distribution. A.K. Chaudhary attended the most matches with 180 appearances, and followed by C. Shamsu. And third, we have G.B. Geffen and second umpire contribution. Ravi holds the record with 113 matches appearance. And lastly, we have referee distribution by match. And S. Srinath Avishekar with the highest number of matches, followed by MLA. And last we have V. Narayan Bhutti. And this is Teams Gallery dashboard, simply Teams Gallery feature, allowing us to view all the team members' profiles and start by clicking on the respective teams. And here you can see the team members. And also, if you place a particular team member, it will show all the stats of that particular bowler or batter. You can also see the individual player, the player position, like bowler, opening batter, middle order, wicket keeper. So that's it from this presentation. I want to extend my gratitude to Rahul and for this opportunity, as well as the entire Codebasics team. Thank you all for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next project.